So we're back with a brand new product. This time we're checking out the Brita Compact Hub. This is a very cool low profile device that has a 9-cup water capacity in here, as well as the Brita Best filter available that helps remove things like chlorine and microplastics and lead from your water, which is really cool to give you the best quality tasting water you can get, while also being super compact and countertop that we don't have to worry about it taking up too much space. Let's open this up and talk a little bit more about it. So this here uses a filter that specifically boasts being able to clear out over 120 gallons of water. So that way you're really getting the use out of that and not wasting a bunch of plastic for bottles, as well as it helps get plastic out of your water too, which is really nice. So inside the box, we have our little manual here that kind of goes a little bit more into the details about it. And then let's actually pull. Ooh, so well packaged. So this is actually a reservoir right here. This is the front of the device. It can actually hold up to 12-inch tall bottles, which is really helpful. On the back side here, where the reservoir goes, this is where your filter is going to go, which should be in here. Okay, so flat side out, push in, pretty straightforward. Reject it is just to push this button here, that'll drop it back out. But yeah, once that's done, you can then take this container. You want to get it to rinse out because it was being transported, you know, it's anytime you're shipping anything, it's always a good idea to clean something out. This little stop pusher here will go into here. Fill max up to 72 ounces or 2.1 liters. It does have a nice little handle though. So to get that out of that hole, as well as making sure that you're able to take this from one place to the other, got that nice little handle. It's also got this nice tiny spill tray here that just plugs in there. And then yeah, they recommend that you run this thing through twice real quick once you get things set up. That way you make sure everything gets processed out of the system from shipping, keeping it clean. But all in all, I mean, look how small and low profile this is. This could sit down next to your Keurig or your coffee maker in your office, in your kitchen, really kind of small. You've got manual, and then you can do twice and then it'll auto pour, which is really cool. But yeah, no, this is a really solid device. I will say this, the auto, you do have to turn that off another click or else it will just keep pouring. It doesn't recognize the bottles. So that's definitely something you want to pay attention to. Another thing about this is there's an indicator light that will illuminate when it starts pouring out. If it's green, it's good. As it gets longer and longer in its life, and it's pumped out around like 120 gallons, so that of course the light will turn yellow to red and then blink red when it's way past its filter life. So you know it's time to get a replacement Brita filter. But yeah, this is, like I said, a really solid device. It's going to be very helpful for keeping yourself drinking tons of water, and then also making sure that you're getting the most without wasting tons and tons of plastic. Well, hopefully you guys found this helpful. Hopefully you guys pick this up for yourself, and we'll see you guys next time. If you're looking for the brand new tool to keep your office happy, just want to be using less plastics at home, or just want to have great tasting water, the Brita Compact Hub is a great solution to that problem. Hopefully you guys picked that up for yourself. We will see you guys next time.